Hey loves, it's Catty. Welcome back to my channel, Glam by Catty. If you are new here, welcome. I upload a video every Sunday. And as you can tell from the title of this week's video, I will be doing my first ever drunk makeup tutorial with my husband's cousin, Eunice. Say hi.
Hi.
So for every step, I will be taking a shot and we'll be drinking different things in between. And we have the 1800 right here. And we also got some kamikazes. So let me take my makeup off and we'll get started.
I'm not ready for this at all. Why are you laughing? I think that fish face. That's gonna be one fun moment.
Cheers. Okay, first step is primer, so let's go. And I'm using the e.l.f. Poreless Putty. Excuse me. Oh god, I am not ready for this at all. Oh, get some put on your face.
Oh, mine?
Yeah.
How do I do this?
Just get a little bit on your finger, just put it all over your face, rub it in like lotion. I don't know how people drink that 1800, it's strong.
Wait, how many steps are there?
A lot.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah, I know. Look at where he's feeling it. Right, next is foundation. Push it in.
Everywhere?
Yep.
Like everywhere?
Yeah, cover your whole entire face.
Yeah, I don't do makeup.
Oh shit, I got it in my hair. What is happening?
Can I just go like this? Or do I have to...
You're supposed to pat it in.
Yeah, Marty, if you're watching, I'm sorry.
Why did I think this was a good idea? I need another pump because I have a big ass face.
My nose too?
Ew, excuse me. Yeah, everything. Let me know when you're good.
I think I'm good. I don't know if I'm good. But we're good.
Okay, we're good.
Ay, Dios mío, voy a morir.
Oh, you need to. Oh, kamikazes.
I could do these.
Cheers to concealer. This tastes really good. Just put it under your eyes and then on your eyelids like that.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And you just push it in until it's like blended.
Mm-hmm.
Are you good?
I think so. Does that look good?
Is it in?
No, that's not it. You look like a clown at the end of this.
All right. Next is powder. Oh, Lord Jesus. This is powder. Ooh, that's strong. A little bit, and I'm gonna push it underneath my eyes, and then a little bit more on the other eye too. This smells so good. I'm gonna do it on my eyeballs too, like that. Okay.
Oh, hell. Whoops.
You gotta be careful.
Told you I don't do makeup.
Next, I'm taking a brush and I'm gonna put powder all over my face because I'm oily. Are you oily or dry?
I'm oily.
Oily? Okay. Careful when you dip into it. Just a little bit. Let me see. No, what are you doing? Push it all over your face.
Mm-mm.
Yep. You want one? Or are you gonna drink a blue one?
I'll take a blue one.
Okay. That is so white. I'm way whiter than you are. You got powder everywhere.
You don't care when you're drunk.
Smells good though. Okay. What's next? Bronzer. Okay. Cheers. Ugh. That is so gross. It's the KVD Shade and Light palette. So you're gonna do that and then you make like a fishy face and then put it right here on your cheeks, okay? So like this. Why are you laughing?
I can't do a fishy face.
Yes, you can. Everybody can do it. Maybe you're right. You tried though.
That's gonna be one fucked up video.
can't do a fishy face. Oh my gosh. Okay, focus, Catty.
I can't do a fishy face.
Mm-mm.
I can't do no more shots. Like that?
No, hold it right. Next is blush. You think that would taste better, but it doesn't. I'm gonna use my favorite blush, the Too Faced Strobe Berry. It's so pretty.
Oh, it's so pretty.
No, just pat it right here on your apples of your cheeks, the circles. I'm gonna bake my face. Can I have a blue one? Thank you.
I'm done taking shots.
Cheers. I spilled it. Don't spill it on your face. At least it smells good. This is not gonna go good. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna take this powder and I'm gonna bake my face. I'll wait till you're there.
I can't even open it. How did I open it? I look like a ghost.
Sorry, I am not your shade. You get the idea.
I'm trying.
Do my eyebrows because I have none. Thank you. All right, cheers to eyebrows.
Taking me a trash can by us.
Alright, you already have eyebrows, so you don't have to fill them in unless you want to. I'm going to use my favorite eyebrow pencil, the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer in Brunette. Taking the spoolie side, and then I'm just going to brush what hairs I do have up because I have no hair. And I'm going to use the pencil side and draw me an eyebrow. So I'm going to draw a line underneath my eyebrow, like that. And then I'll draw one a little bit above since I freaking have no hair. Bring a line down for the end, and then I'll connect it right here too. This is so hard to do when you see double. Oh my god, these are so crooked. Alright, and then once I do that, I get like a powder, a brow powder, or even eyeshadow. So I'll take the light brown shade, and I'll fill in the front half of my brow. I'll take a deeper brown and do the end. I wish I had hair. Oh my god, these are so uneven. They look uneven, huh? To me, they look pretty. Next is the eyeshadow. I know.
No, I can't do this. I need help.
We both do.
Like that?
Sure.
Oh, hell.
You've never done your makeup before?
No, never.
Ever? Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, look at my cute little shot glass I got from my friend. Shout out to Alexa. She went to Cuba and it even has my name on it. Damn it. I knew I was going to do that. Did we do a shot for eyeshadow?
I don't know. What's your steps, not mine.
I don't think so. So why not? I need another one. Alright, so what color do you want me to use?
Pink.
Pink. Okay.
Pink.
Pink.
Pink and pink.
You want these two? She chose these two pink shades right here. Alright, so I'm gonna get started with this one and apply it, and then I'll use my finger and put this one. They're like creamy eyeshadows. Alright, I'm blending that darker shade in my crease. Does that mean I get to pick your eyeshadow? Good thing eyeshadow is like together is one step, because then we'd be fucked up. Like more than we already are. Why did I do that side darker than this side? What's wrong with me right now? Does it look okay? I'm gonna take the light pink one on my finger. It's like jelly. Feel it. Feels weird. It's pretty though. And I will put that. Yep, finger was the way to go. Ew, sounded nasty. I'm just gonna pack it on my lid. This is horrible. I don't recommend this for anybody. I'm gonna try colors on you, which is probably a bad idea, but we're gonna do it anyway.
Okay.
It's the Morphe 24A Artist Pass because it has a bunch of colors and I don't even know what my name is right now. So yeah, this will be fun. Why are you popping your fingers?
Because I'm getting nervous. I'm supposed to put my eyelashes like, or my eye things like you. What color am I doing? These thingies. The pink.
Eyeshadow.
Yeah, eyeshadow.
Since you picked my colors, I'm gonna pick whatever I want to do on yours.
Okay.
Which is not gonna come out good because, like I said, I don't even know what my name is right now. I feel like a kindergartner, like learning how to color. Just 'cause- Fuck you. Okay, so I'm taking the purple. Sorry, I'm not even explaining what the heck I'm doing. I'm taking the purple now. I'm putting it on the outer half of her eye. People are gonna come for me for this video. This is horrible. Glitter, because I need some glitter. Ooh, pretty. Am I too drunk or does it still look pretty?
It looks beautiful.
Yay! Oh my god, I sounded like Nenny.
I know. I was like,
I don't know what I'm doing.
Right now, that makes both of us. Cheers. Fuck! I'm sorry! Again? Okay, this was a bad idea. Oh my god!
I'm gonna kill you!
What is wrong with me? So it turns out I am very clumsy when I'm drinking. Andrew's gonna kill me! I spilled it! It's okay, it'll be fine. Where's yours?
I think you've had enough, sis.
I think so too, I don't feel good. Oh my god. I keep knocking shit over. Next is highlight. Ugh. Right here, your Cupid's bow.
Cupid's bow?
Yeah, that's this above your lip. That's what it's called.
Oh.
You're just gonna put some right here. And then on the tip of your nose, like this, like Rudolph. And then the bridge. And then on the high points of your cheeks, which is mine is like freaking right here because I have big ass cheekbones. Oh, it's pretty. Just try to stay in the line. I look naked, but I'm terrified to do lashes. Eyelashes.
Okay.
Well, fuck it. Let's just do curl them and mascara.
What's that?
Girl.
I don't do makeup!
Mascara.
Okay.
Okay. Cheers to lipstick.
Ugh. Cheers to lipstick. I thought it was eyeshadow.
Girl, we did eyeshadow like 10 minutes ago.
Oh, these ear things. These eye ear things. these eye things. Sorry.
Mascara time, since I already curled my eyelashes. I do not recommend this at all.
Drunk?
Yes. This is horrible.
That's not.
Say that with a straight face.
It is not.
Recite the alphabet. I'm just kidding. You can't! I don't even know what's happening right now. I think I'm done. I don't want to like stab myself in the eye trying to put on lashes right now.
That's it?
Yeah, that's all the steps I usually do. So we're done. Alright, so that completes this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked it, remember to like, subscribe, and comment down below what challenge you'd like to see next. And I don't know what else to say. We are freaking drunk, but yeah, that completes this video. So, bye. See you in the next one.